Did you know that by cooking chicken drumsticks this way, you can make a comforting and nutritious stew? For this recipe, we'll be using chicken drumsticks, fresh vegetables, garlic, herbs, mustard, and simple seasonings to create a traditional dish full of flavor and collagen. Start by adding 500 grams of clean chicken drumsticks to a pot. Add chopped tomato, a large onion, green onion, oil, salt, black pepper, garlic, oregano, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of chicken broth seasoning, and 3 crushed garlic cloves. Sauté everything together for about 10 minutes so the flavors begin to develop. Friends, this chicken drumstick recipe was taught to me by my grandmother, and it's truly amazing. She always says that food like this keeps you young, and honestly, I believe her. After sautéing, add 2 tablespoons of mustard and adjust the salt to taste. Stir everything very well so the flavors combine. Now add 1 chopped potato, some carrot slices, and 1 cup of water. Mix gently, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 30 minutes until the chicken is tender and the vegetables are perfectly cooked. Once the cooking time is over, the stew is ready. Chicken drumsticks are rich in collagen, which is great for joints. If you know someone who struggles with joint pain, share this recipe with them. Look at this dish, it's warm, comforting, and absolutely delicious.